what's up guys, it's Mr. Legit. Welcome back to the channel. Just want to do a real quick video for you guys. Look at this, look at how bad it is up here. It's all rotten out everywhere. And the reason why, so basically the reason why it's doing it is because first of all they have 4 vents. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this vent is being stolen. Basically they're stealing the air from this, right? And you have this one, right? So you only have 2 vents up here on this house. This is how, what is it, like 2,200? I think it's 2,200 square feet. All this stuff. So the boys are putting new plywood on, and we're gonna eliminate this, and then we're gonna add some. Man, I don't know if bridge vent will even do this. I need to add an attic fan, something, or vents on both sides. But look at this though. It's just crazy. Real wild. Look at all this. Nasty. How soft that is. All right, so we're going to be updating this venting right now. We're going to pull off a couple sheets, just kind of see what's going on down here a little bit. He's getting the shovel. We're going to go ahead and pull this up. So under here is where the venting, I think sometimes this stuff could be blowing. See there, right there. So that's blowing out. So that's not good right there. You want to have a dedicated vent. Yeah, see that right there? That's not good. So when that's not good, man. So this baffle's in the way, but really what we're gonna do is take this. What we're going to be doing is just taking this wherever it comes out, I think right there or something, and venting it out of the roof, because that could get moldy, especially if you're taking a hot shower. And we put on stem vents on there and then duct tape it up, and it just blows out of the roof. And there's the one right there. We're going to add another one. So yeah, probably getting a little confusing, but that's what we're going to be doing. That's how you get into it right there. What do you think, more money? You got more money up in the building. More money? Huh? What'd you say? Look at him. This guy's hey, we got more money. He's a beast though. This dude's a straight beast right here. Look at this dude. Look at that. What? Got big brother up there. What's doing? Got big brother over there. So another thing, we just took this off, and that vent right there,
it's over there.
yeah, it goes way over there. And really what we're gonna do is, these guys were lazy, they just added it right here because it's faster. But this is way over here. So we're gonna actually just cut a hole in right here and vent right here. Just makes sense. We don't need it running way over here. That's ridiculous. So that's just updating the venting. A little bit. Come on, we got more money in the building, you know. What do you gotta say, man? Huh?
You need to pay more money.
¿En español?
Oh, necesitas pagarme más dinero.
More money. More money. What you guys know about the Cinco nailer though? Got the Cinco nailer on here. He's getting after the Cinco. And this dude, and this guy put in.
Okay. Ahí está.
¿Qué piensas? ¿Eh?
Hay mucho dinero aquí en el roofing. Mucho money aquí en este roof.
Yo ando ganando mucho dinero aquí.
Ese es el patrón, pero no trae los Gatorades. Bueno, a veces. Sometimes. He's bringing the Gatorades.
Sí,
Tiene mucho dinero.
sí, Gatorades.
Chris.
Él, dime, hey David, ¿dónde están los Gatorades? When Chris asked me where the Gatorades are, I stopped bringing them. I'm like, you know what? You asked me, I'm not gonna. That's like a girl asking you, like, hey, or you know, like you always asking your girl, man. But before long, she's just gonna stop giving it to you or something. ¿Qué dice? No, he's shy. How do you say shy? ¿Cómo se llama? Shy. How do you say shy? That dude does not like to be on camera. Probably running for somebody. Yeah, so that's how important it is to make sure that you have proper venting. And if anybody's watching this and you guys are like HVAC dudes, make sure you guys don't steal it. Add your own. Don't be lazy. Add your own vent, or else you're gonna have this problem. Now that's a wrap. I'm gonna get out of here. Hopefully that you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Peace. Oh yeah, I got the mask on too.